A new development tonight in the murder case against Brad Simpson, the husband of Suzanne Simpson. His attorneys are challenging 3 key law enforcement witnesses, including the police chief of Olmos Park. A new motion filed today asks a judge to intervene, raising concerns about how those officers have handled the case. KENS 5's Alicia Nieves reviewed the filing and joins us now with what it says. Alicia?
Brad Simpson's attorneys are zeroing in on 3 key law enforcement witnesses in this case, demanding their personnel files. The attorneys believe what's inside these files could be used to challenge these officers' credibility on the stand.
Brad Simpson remains the only publicly named suspect in his wife Suzanne's murder. His trial was supposed to start last week, but has been delayed until at least the end of March. But now, defense attorneys have filed a motion that claims Olmos Park Police Chief Fidel Villegas allowed the Olmos Park mayor to get a private look at physical evidence connected to this murder case. According to the defense, that alleged review happened after a gag order was already in place, raising questions about who had access to evidence and when. The motion also names Sergeant Melissa Campbell, an Olmos Park police sergeant, pointing to past civil rights and employment-related lawsuits. The third person named in the motion is Texas Ranger Jesse Perez, citing concerns over his background. The motion states Perez was placed on administrative leave in connection to the shooting of Marcus McVeigh, a separate high-profile case in the San Antonio area. Simpson's attorneys argue they have a right to review any records that could call the credibility of those officers into question. So the defense asked a judge to order internal affairs files, training records, personnel files, and other internal documents to be turned over to them. And a judge decided to let that happen, putting prosecutors on the clock to get those files to the court first for review.
The trial was pushed back at least 60 days because prosecutors said they needed more time to review the mountain of evidence. The body of Suzanne Simpson has not been found. Live in the newsroom, Alicia Nieves, KENS 5.